Alright you guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another BJ Customs video, and today we're going to be doing a little review on my iPhone X that I've had for a couple months, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it, how I feel about having it, and would I buy it again if I knew what I know now about my iPhone. In this review I'm providing to you guys today, it is coming from, I used to have an iPhone 6, so I haven't had an iPhone 7 or 8. This is coming from me having an iPhone 6, and then I used a Samsung S6 for a couple months when my iPhone 6 broke. My iPhone 6S, you know, it really doesn't matter, it's just the same model basically. But I had an iPhone 6S before this, that was my last iPhone, so it was a pretty big jump to come up to the X, and it is a pretty penny as you guys know. But there are some pros and cons that go along with having one of these phones that are super expensive and top of the line and innovative. It's a new phone, it's new technology, and a lot of people haven't seen it on the market anywhere else, so Apple is trying some new stuff out and I'm reviewing it. I know there's tons of reviews out there, but this is if I like it or not, and if I would recommend it to my viewers, whether you should buy this thing or not. I'll start out with some of the pros because there's a lot of great things about this iPhone X and a lot of stuff to get excited about. For one, it has the huge screen on there, the full front screen, which is nothing we've ever seen on the Apple iPhones before. Most of the time there's the black bars at the top and bottom, you know, that's pretty regular. I'm not gonna wash this out too much with a lot of stuff you've already heard before. This is a lot of stuff that you guys know about and is already information that's out there, so I'm not gonna hit it way too hard. Past having a larger screen does have facial recognition incorporated into the camera in the phone system itself, you know, to unlock your phone. They did not have the fingerprint scanner built into any part of the screen or on the phone. It's facial recognition only. I went from having the fingerprint scanner to the face recognition, and I really had no problem adjusting. It does a really good job picking up your face, and I have it set so that I have to look at the phone for it to unlock itself, and I have to give it like attention. Sounds whack, but giving my phone attention, you know, that's what everyone does. But I have to give my phone attention, and you can set it so if it just sees your face, like if you're looking away or something, it'll still unlock. The camera is also really good quality. I'm gonna try to put one on the screen that I took like maybe on Christmas Day or something, or a few days before Christmas, whatever. I'm gonna try to post a really good picture with this camera, and I don't know if YouTube will do adjusters or my camera will even do adjusters. It has that double camera system that you guys know about, the vertical alignment instead of the horizontal like on the iPhone 7 and 8. I'm pretty sure the iPhone 7 or 8 Plus. So yeah, it is something different, and you do have to buy all new cases, which is good marketing on their part. You know, you have to go buy new casing and stuff like that. But it does come with drawbacks. You know, I think it is pretty much the same size as my iPhone 6S was, but since the screen's different and it's built differently and with the camera and all, you can't really use the same phone cases. You know, I still have some of my phone cases and I would have liked to use them, but it's no big deal. I like the new innovation and I like what they're doing. Another thing a lot of iPhone users care about, anybody buying a phone in general, is the battery life. How much battery life can you expect out of the iPhone X? In my opinion, I would say it does hold pretty well. My iPhone battery after 2 months or so is starting to decline in how long it holds battery, but it still is a really good battery, and right when I first got it, it was an amazing battery. Like, the battery's crazy. I know people want how long does your battery stay good? And for now, it's pretty good. It's not like my phone's dying crazily, and I've never had any encounters so far where my phone just dies like 50% or something like that, like the older iPhones did when they did age. Of course, this is still a pretty new phone in itself. Some of the cons of having an iPhone 10, now there are a couple, and there's probably more out there that I haven't really discovered or I don't acknowledge day to day. Now, I do recommend a nice case, but I got this case for $3 at Walmart. You know, the plastic Joan, you can't beat that. There is a lot of glass on the iPhone X, so I do recommend a nicer case, but I mean, I haven't had any cracking. Like, I do have a screen protector on the front. I do recommend that as well because there's a lot of glass on this phone. So yeah, a lot of glass. You want to keep your phone protected, and it could be hazardous for some of you that drop your phones all the time. And of course, the obvious one, there is no headphone jack on the bottom. You do need the adapter or something. There's just a lightning port that you can't really charge and listen to music at the same time. Luckily, it has that good battery thus far that enables me to just listen to music whenever I want. I don't really have to plug in all that often. Except for like in the car, it does it kind of sticky with, you know, if I don't have Bluetooth, it's tough. It's real tough. Another big issue that I do think is an iPhone X problem, and I did see it on Twitter, the iPhone X does drop calls. And I don't know why, it just has a calling issue. It's just one of those new innovative product things that they have to work that out. The antenna strips are in different places and they are transmitting differently than most of the iPhones before. So it does have an issue dropping calls. You know, Claudia's calls, they freaking drop all the time. And if I'm switching apps like on FaceTime and stuff, when I'm not on the FaceTime screen, it'll just end the call immediately and not even say I hung up, I just call back. and they said, oh, you hung up. I was like, I didn't mean to, it's the iPhone X issue. But yeah, not a lot of cons and a lot of pros that I do like, and I do like the facial recognition for sure. The bigger screen, it does make a difference. I will never go back to a smaller iPhone. Like, I could not get an iPhone 8. I wouldn't mind, probably a good processing system in there. But yeah, iPhone X is fast, has a large screen, great camera, and of course, recognizing your face to unlock your phone. You can't beat that. It's really innovative, and I do like my iPhone X. The cons, it's whatever. It happens. New phones, new technology. You can't expect to be perfect. They're still working on it. But maybe I need to update my phone and stuff will get a little bit better. So who knows? Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you guys out. If you guys are still watching, make sure you like this video, drop a like on it, let me know that you enjoyed and you liked my content I've created today for you guys. It's a little something different, it's a little tech video. I won't do too many tech videos. I just have an iPhone X and I want to let you guys know on YouTube what I thought about my iPhone X, kind of like a sit down discussion type video, story time per se. But make sure you comment down below if you have an iPhone X as well. I don't know, comment something down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, most of all. Thank you for watching BTR Customs. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.